Welcome to Think Future Academy channel. Today our topic is stakeholder management. In this video we will understand how to identify and manage stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders in supply chain management? What is an upstream or downstream stakeholder and key elements of stakeholder management? The content covered in this video is: Number 1. Stakeholders in the procurement process. Number 2. Stakeholder in upstream or downstream. Number 3. Stakeholders in supply chain management. And number 4. Key elements of stakeholder management. Let's start with how to identify and manage stakeholders. Stakeholders play a critical role within the procurement and supply profession. Who are the stakeholders in the procurement process? Stakeholders in the procurement process can be divided into two main categories, either internal or external. Internal stakeholders. Internal stakeholders and people that are connected to the organization. They have a strong influence on how the organization runs and its success. These people could be shareholders, owners, employees, board members, directors, managers. External stakeholders. External stakeholders are diverse and are not linked or contractually obligated to your organization, however they do have an interest in the organization's activities. These people could be local communities, investors, government, media, trade unions, competitors. What is an upstream or downstream stakeholder? Upstream or downstream stakeholders refer to the groups of stakeholders that are engaged at each point in the supply chain process. Upstream stakeholders. The group of people that supply the goods or services to be delivered. This could include raw materials suppliers, logistic providers. Downstream stakeholders. The consumer or customers that receives the goods or services. Who are the stakeholders in supply chain management? Stakeholders in the supply chain are a more completed group and are known as connected stakeholders. Connected stakeholders are individuals, or organizations, that have a relationship in a contractual capacity to your organization. As per the Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply, the stakeholder divided into 5 groups, which are shareholder, end customer, distributors/retail outlets, suppliers and financial institutions. Now we will go through each group to understand their part in supply chain management. Number 1. Shareholders. Shareholders will have significant power at company meets and the ability to influence share price, return on investment and corporate governance. Number 2. End customers. Interested in the satisfaction of products, in terms of value for money, quality, and service experience. End customers provide a useful source of feedback and have the power to switch or withdraw custom. Number 3. Distributors, retail outlets. Interested in ethical and efficient trading practices and sales support. These stakeholders help to promote and distribute products and have the power to withhold distribution. Number 4. Suppliers. Interested in efficient transactions and relationship handling, with fair procedures and timely payment. Suppliers have a key input in quality, price, and time and share their expertise for product development. And number 5. Financial institutions. Interested in the financial strength and stability of the organization. They offer short and long-term loans and have the power to restrict or withdraw any credit facilities. The actions or inactions of one group in the chain can affect all the stakeholders in the chain. Managing this group is more complex and may require you to think locally, act globally, whilst implementing expertise and innovation in your communication techniques. Number 4. Key elements of stakeholder management. Many stakeholders involved within an organization, knowing how to manage them is important. Here are the 8 fundamental elements of stakeholder management. Number 1. Support. Be supportive throughout the process. Number 2. Empathy. Listen to their worries, needs and concerns and act. Number 3. Transparency. Keep stakeholders up to date. Number 4. Communication. Share information with your stakeholders. Number 5. Feedback. Give regular feedback on organization's activities. Number 6. Consultation. Ask for their feedback and consult with stakeholders before making decisions. Number 7, Engagement. Number 8, Inclusion. Make sure stakeholders are included within organization's activities. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.